Hello children, a pleasant good morning to you all. Did you all have breakfast? I hope you all had breakfast. Is everyone ready for your science class? Good. Now we are learning block 9, that is shoot system in plants. Let's take a look at previous topics. In this block we learned about parts of the shoot system, herbs, shrubs and trees, functions of stem. First, parts of the shoot system. The shoot system is the part of a plant that grows above the soil. It consists of leaves, branches, stem, fruit, and flowers. The stem is the main part of the shoot system. It bears the leaves, flowers, and fruits. Leaves produce food for the plant. Different plants have different leaves. Some plants called flowering plants that bear flowers. This type of plants have only flowers that bearing seeds. And some flowers will develop into fruits containing seeds. New plants can be grown from the seeds. Some fruits have only one seed, while some fruits may have many seeds. These are the parts of the shoot system in plant. Next, root system. The root system is the part of a plant that grows below the ground. The root system consists of only the roots that grow under the ground. Next, herbs, shrubs and trees. Herbs. The smallest plants are called herbs. They have thin, soft and green stems. They have some branches or can even be branchless. For example, spinach, cabbage, mint and mustard plants. Shrubs. The medium-sized plants are called shrubs. The shrubs are taller than herbs but shorter than trees. It has a thick woody stem and has branches at its base. For example, rose, hibiscus and lemon plants. Trees. The tallest plants are called trees. It has a strong woody stem and it is known as trunk. It has branches near the top, for example, mango, coconut, apple and pine tree. Next, functions of stems. The stem connects the leaves and flowers with each other. Without stem, the leaves and flowers will not be joined and water will also not reach them. The stem helps to transport water and nutrients from the soil to the other parts of the plant. It also transports food from the leaves to the other parts. It carries water and nutrients absorbed by the roots to the leaves. It has separate tubes to carry food and water. It helps to hold and support the different parts of a plant together. It holds the leaves in such a way that they get enough sunlight to produce food for the plant. These are the points we discussed in the previous class. Now let's begin today's class. Can you tell me what main functions of stems did we learn yesterday? Yes, stems help to transport water, food and nutrients. It holds together the different parts of plants. Today we will learn about the special functions of stems of some plants. So the aim is to list the special functions that the stems of some plants perform. List the special functions that the stems of some plants perform. Put the video on pause and write the aim in your notebook. I hope you have completed it. Come on, let's start today's topic, special functions of stems. Here are some keywords we will use in this topic, functions, stem. Let's learn the pronunciation. Come on.
Functions, functions. Stem, stem.
I hope you learned the pronunciation of keywords. Now we will learn the meaning of these keywords. First, function. A function is an activity or process carried out by a system in an organism. Next, stem. Stem is the plant axis that bears buds and shoots with leaves. A function is an activity or process carried out by a system in an organism. Stem is the plant axis that bears buds and shoots with leaves. I believe you learned the meaning of these keywords. Now you can write the keyword and its meaning in your notebook. I hope you have done. Now look at the ginger plant carefully and tell me, what did you notice in the plant? How is the stem of the plant helpful? Think and write your answer in your notebook. I believe that you have completed. Come on, let's see the answer. The stem of the ginger plant grows below the ground and stores food for the plant. We can eat such stems. The stem of the ginger plant grows below the ground and stores food for the plant. We can eat such stems. Okay? Now look at the other plant samples. A potato plant and a rose plant. Think and write the functions of each plant stem in your notebook. Put the video in pause and write the functions of each plant stem in your notebook. I hope you have completed it. Now tell me, what did you notice about the stems of the sample plants? That is, potato plant and rose plant. I hope you have written it correctly. Let's see the answer. The stem of the potato plant grows below the soil and can be eaten. The stem of the potato plant grows below the soil and can be eaten. Next, the stem of the rose plant has thorns. It protects the plant from animals. Rose plant has thorns. It protects plant from animals. Next, what are the special functions of stems in some plants? Do you know any plants that having special functions in stem? Come on, let's see. Underground stems, like in the potato and ginger plants, help to store food for the plants. Stems of some plants, such as a rose plant, have thorns that protect them from insects and animals. Stems of some other plants, such as cactus, store water. Stem of some plants help to store food, and some plants protect from animals, and some other plants store water in stem. Desert plants such as cactus do not have leaves, so their stems help to produce food. Have you understood? Nice. Next, Heart's question. Why does the cactus plant store water in its stem? Why does the cactus plant store water in its stem? Put the video on pause. Think and write the answer in your notebook. I hope you have done. Let's see the answer. The stem of the cactus plant is thick and fleshy. It stores enough water to keep the plant alive when it is dry and hot in the desert. Did you get it? Good. Next, practice questions. In your content book, question number 7 and 8 are your today's homework. The questions are, why do stems of the desert plants need to store water? Next question, do the shoot system of different plants have the same parts? Give one reason for your answer. Next, worksheet questions. In S4, first question, write 2 things that are common about the stems of the plant stone. In first question, there are 2 pictures, A and B. Write 2 things that are common about the stems. Next question, write the functions of each type of stem shown. Write the functions of each type of stem shown. The third question, why do some plants have stems that grow below the soil? Why do some plants have stems that grow below the soil? Next bonus question of the day. What is the special function of the stem of the rose plant? I repeat the question. What is the special function of the stem of the rose plant? That's all for today. Do the practice questions in your notebook. Worksheet questions in your workbook. In your notebook, you should write down the answers not only to the practice questions but also to the questions that are asked in between the video. Okay? Don't forget to do the bonus question in your online exam section. After completing your homework, get a sign from your parents in the planner. Thank you for listening. Have a good day. God bless you.